Great, let's move on to the next step. In this part, we will explore the best tools that you can use to validate your course idea or concept and to ensure that there's a demand for your product. Remember that you want to provide a solution to a problem that a substantial number of people are struggling with, simply because you want to sell your course to as many people as possible. So now, in this lecture and the upcoming lectures, we will look at what people are asking for, what the market wants. So the first tool that we're going to discuss is called Keywords Everywhere. Now, I love Keywords Everywhere for a couple of reasons. The first reason is its simplicity. It's a simple plugin that is user-friendly and intuitive, meaning you don't have to figure out how to use it, you can just use it. Another bonus is the cost effectiveness of this tool. It used to work on a credit-based system, so you could buy credits as you needed them. Unfortunately, like almost everything else in life, this plugin moved to a subscription model recently. At the time of recording this, it is still the best and cheapest solution out there. I will leave a link to this tool in the lecture description. Just to frustrate you, in the past, I would pay just $10 worth of credits every single year and had more than enough to do research for a full year, also for my SEO purposes. So in the past, $10 would be more than enough to conduct extensive analysis for all your courses in a full year. Now you have to pay a few bucks every single month to take a yearly subscription, which is, at the time of writing, about 6 times more expensive than it used to be. But it's still cheap compared to the other solutions. One thing to bear in mind, though, is that Keywords Everywhere is, of course, not designed for course topic analysis. It is actually an SEO tool, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, which means that it can help you to analyze your online findability based on keywords in text on your website. I have another course about SEO in case you're interested, but trust me, Keywords Everywhere is perfect for finding ideal course topics too. One helpful feature of Keywords Everywhere is the Related Keywords option. It shows you related topics that you might not have initially considered, and these topics might actually have a higher search volume, so more interest in that specific topic than your initial idea. So you can use this feature to shift your idea just a little bit if it means that there is a bigger audience for that course topic. Or at the very least, you find information here for the topics you should cover in your course, when it comes to chapters, when it comes to modules, the content you cover in your course. For example, let's say that you have a plan for a course on power yoga. A quick look in this tool shows you that there are people interested in the topic. But looking in the list of search suggestions from Google, you can now see the actual search volume because you have activated the plugin. Based on this, it could be a better idea to focus on one of these other variations of yoga, like Hatha yoga, Vinyasa yoga, or Ashtanga yoga. Not really sure if I pronounced this right, but these topics have higher search volume. Another handy feature is the SEO difficulty score. Now remember, this is mainly used for evaluating the competitiveness in SEO, but it can still provide us valuable insights. It helps gauge the level of interest your topic is drawing from other entrepreneurs. So if your course topic has a high SEO difficulty score, it means that potentially many people are also interested in this topic, and you can expect a lot of competition. Conversely, a lower score can indicate that fewer businesses are competing in this field for attention. It's like your sneak peek into the interest in your course topic. There's a lot more here, like trend data, which of course you can also find in Google Trends, the top ranking results in SEO, and more. Helpful because eventually we need to market our course, and ranking means fewer dollars spent on SEA or search engine advertising. I hope you're beginning to see why I'm so excited about this little simple tool, Keywords Everywhere. It gives you some basic insights into your potential course's market demand and competition level. And remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of online course building. So with this tool, you'll have an important and cheap first indicator to create a course that hits the mark and truly resonates with your audience. In the next lecture, we will cover other tools to do your market research. I'll see you there.